Hey, man. Hey, we gotta drop the package like that, bro. We got that 2024 Heat that just touched down. And, man, I cannot wait to see these things in hand myself because it's been a very, very long time since this Air Jordan 5 came out. So let's go ahead and get inside this package and show the Vintage Squad what we got, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, but I had to stand up for this. So I couldn't sit down. I had to raise the tripod up a little bit, stand up, because I am super anxious to see how these things is hitting, bro. We in 2023, but we got that 2024 Heat pack that just touched down. I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. I'm super excited. If you guys are new to the channel right now, I need y'all to do before we get in too much further into the video, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So if you're watching, you're enjoying these early Heat, you know what I'm saying? You see them yellow orcas, man. Y'all see them yellow orcas, which we're gonna talk about in a bit. But if you like seeing this content, I need everybody to spam the likes right now, man. You guys know what time it is, bro. Y'all know what time it is, man. We got the Rambo, and it's time to get into this package, man. So let's get into it, bro. I ain't gonna do too much talking because I feel like the shoes itself is gonna do the talking for me, bro. I feel like the shoes gonna do the talking for your boy, the Vintage, today. And like I said, bro, your boy is excited, man. I'm excited to get that tape off there quick, put this to the side, and yes, sir. Let's get into it, bro. We're going too fast, bro. We're going too fast. Y'all let me know, bro. Y'all let me know if I need to build up the anticipation any longer. But, bro, we got them in, bro. We got them things in, man. Let's go ahead and check it out, bro. You guys see it, man. Y'all see the box. Y'all see the box, man. And I feel like that jump man up top kind of gives it away. But y'all probably already done skipped through it, bro. Y'all can't be skipping through the video. Let me dropping them gems for y'all, man. But you guys see it, man. Check out the all over gray speckle box right here with your orange Jumpman with the flat around it, bro. And let's go ahead and read this official colorway. And it reads Air Jordan 5 Retro Army Olive and Solar Orange. Y'all see them guys, bro. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what we got in, bro. We got some early Heat in, bro. Let's go ahead and check them out, bro. Let's check them out inside the box. That's your little quality control sticker up here. And you have the same type of tissue paper as the box. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's get into it, man. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them, bro. Y'all see what we got, man? We have the Air Jordan 5 Olives, man. Check these beauties out, bro. These things are cold, man. Bro, it's been so long for me wanting to add these to the collection. To finally have them in today feels so real, man. It feels so good, bro. We got them things over. Let's set them down right there. Let's get the other sneaker out of the box. Didn't get any extra laces or anything like that. Also get another quality control sticker in the back right there. I don't know if that's catching. Let's put this to the side, man. And let's go ahead and peep these things, bro. Let's go ahead and peep what these things is coming like, bro. I'm liking them, bro. I'm already liking them. It's been so long, bro. I guess a couple fives I had to get, especially this year with being the Air Jordan 5 Burgundies. People slept on them like crazy. But I knew these right here were coming to the collection. I knew they were coming, bro. You guys see the details. Kind of got that like textured material on the upper. It's like some lines going all the way around it. And granted, this is my first time ever seeing these in hand. I always seen them on people's feet, you know what I'm saying, from a little distance, but I never seen them up close in person where it has this like, you know, textured material on the material that they have on the upper. I don't even know what kind of material this is. I don't want to butcher it, but if you guys know what it is, bro, let me know. But man, the quality on these guys is lovely, bro. I'm gonna have to hit y'all with a lot of B-roll because it's not much to say, bro. We just got an early Air Jordan 5 in the olive, guys, releasing in March 2024. And just know, with this one right here, I'm putting a stamp on it for next year, bro. I'm gonna try to get as many early pairs as possible because this gives me the opportunity to kind of break them down a little bit earlier and get you guys the opinion on what is coming out 2024. And it's a lot of Heat coming out. Military blue 4s, yellow orca guys. We have these olive 5s coming out. And bro, I cannot be the only one that's super excited for this release right here, bro. I am loving these things off first glimpse. And I already know, bro, on feet, they're gonna go crazy. I got a perfect fit that already goes with these right here. Shouts out to OutRank Brand. You guys are gonna see that fit over on Instagram. If you want to get the little way ahead, go check out OutRank Brand. Use my code TheVintage to save you 10% off your entire order, bro. Look at them. Look at them icy outsoles, bro. Look at the icy outsoles with your orange, or more like a harvest orange Jumpman on the bottom. Of course, you got your Jumpman in the middle. But them icy blue soles, bro, is immaculate, bro. Look at the quality crazy on these, bro. You can tell that they're not short as far as the quality control, man. And I cannot wait, bro. I can't wait to throw these on feet for you guys. But we have so long before they come out, bro. We have so long before these come out. We in December, these come out in March 2024. Hopefully we start seeing some bread 4s coming out soon. Hopefully we see some military blue 4s, because those two right there is something that I definitely am interested in seeing in hand. Military blue 4s already stamped it, bro. Double up is a must on them guys right there. It's like other colorways like that next year coming out that I know I gotta double up on, because I'm gonna get a lot of wears out of them guys, man. But you guys let me know what you think about these, man. The Air Jordan 5 Olives, bro, the quality is immaculate. Got your orange Jumpman on tongue, reflective 3M tongue right here. And of course you have your Air Jordan on the back of the tongue, bro. Look at that. No Nike Air on the back. I know a lot of y'all probably like, you know, I don't buy Jordan 5s out the Nike Air. But y'all got it. I can't lie, bro. That orange Jumpman looking hard on these Olive 5s, bro. It's been so long. I think the last time these dropped was like 2006 or 2012, one of the two. If you guys know the exact year, please comment it down below. But it's been that long, bro. Like, I remember seeing these when I was in like middle school, if I'm not mistaken. People rocking these things. I say, yo, you know what? One day, I know Jordan Brand gonna bring them back out. I don't gotta go crazy on a resale. Add them to the collection. I'm gonna get a, you know, nice, clean, crispy pair. And they happen to be coming out in 2024. But we in 2023, man. And we already got these guys, man. If you're interested in copping them, I gotta shout out to homie, man. Drama, the manager. He always plugging me in, man. 100% authentic kicks. If you ever want to step out a little bit earlier than what everybody else stepping out in their kicks, hit up the homie. 100% authentic, bro. Trusted source. I always recommend you guys to use them. Got no discount code for y'all on this go around, but hopefully me and the homie can get something, you know, worked up for the Vintage Squad. Go over there and shop with the homie Drama, the manager. I'm gonna link his IG down below in the description box. But you guys let me know, man. Our first rips, our first impressions, our first, you know what I'm saying, looks at the sneaker. You guys let me know how you feeling about these things. Of course, you got your orange pacifier, lace lock, whatever you want to call it. Green laces is looking nice in these, bro. And I cannot wait, bro. I can't wait to throw these things on feet, man. Translucent Cajun, bro. Just a beautiful Air Jordan 5, man. These things are cold, bro. And I ain't gonna even short-handed or nothing like that, bro. I'm gonna express to you guys how excited I am. Not because I got them early, but because Jordan Brand finally brought back this classic colorway, in my opinion. Like I said, man, we got the Air Jordan 5 Olives. I got a show over here. Come over here and check out these yellow orchid guys. We already did an unboxing, but I will be doing a full review and on feet here shortly, because these released on like January the 14th, which is less than a month, bro. We already talking about 2024 drops, and they starting off with a bang with the Air Jordan 1 yellow orchids, bro. So you guys let me know if you copping these. The Air Jordan 5 Olives. What are you looking forward to copping next year, 2024? It's a lot of sneakers coming out, and I know me, myself, it's gonna be a heavy spending year. It's gonna be a heavy spending year. All the heat that Jordan Brand got for us, man. And I had to come over here and grab these Air Jordan 5 Burgundies, like another one of those, you know, pairs that I dropped back in the day when I was in, you know, some middle school, high school, that I couldn't afford. But I know when Jordan Brand brought them back out, I was all over it. But bruh, these right here, man, are so beautiful. I was happy enough that people slept on them. I'm happy y'all slept, because it was an easy cop for me. Easy one of them things to add to the collection. And I might not wear them as much because this is like, it's all burgundy sneakers. It's probably a little bit difficult to wear, but for me, I know I get some styles and fits out of these, but it's just a nostalgia aspect from it, because these dropped back in the day, couldn't get them. But now 2023 and 2024, hey, Jordan Brand bringing back them heaters, bro. They bringing back them heaters for them real collectors, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Let me know how you feeling about the Air Jordan 5 Olives release in March 2024. I cannot wait to see you guys' comments, thoughts, and reactions in the comment section. I need everybody go crazy down below. Hit that like button. Let's get this up to 500 likes, man. I know we can do it. And it's gonna show YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So with all that being said, bro, we're always out the way, clean unboxing over the Olive 5s. I can't wait to see you guys' comments. All this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.